Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix SIM pin grayed out on iPhone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, when you go ahead and go to your settings and then cellular right here, now scroll down and find SIM pin right here. If this one is grayed out for you, for example, you cannot disable it, okay, or you don't know the pin for you to be able to unlock it, well, don't worry, we have a few options here for you. The most common default SIM pins are 1234 or 0000. 1111 also used by some carriers, but as you can see here, we only have 3 chances to do it, okay? Now, if you want to know your exact SIM pin, well, you can just go ahead and call your carrier or network provider for the SIM pin. If you have the PUK screen, okay, you got PUK'd, all right? So what you got to do is just go ahead and call the carrier. For example, your carrier is T-Mobile, okay? So when you have the PUK code, you can just go ahead and take a call right here, okay? Call someone, and then in this section, you'll be able to see a PUK screen. So what you got to do is just put that PUK code, and then once done, your call will go through and your SIM will be unlocked. And after that, you can now go ahead and go back to settings right here, enable or disable SIM pin. That's basically it. That is how you fix SIM pin if it's grayed out on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.